Good morning. Some of you had asked about using the review function in Microsoft Word, and you're also getting weekend mark. So get my hat, go Bears, and my sweatshirt. So you got that going for you. But to review documents in Word is actually pretty easy once you start doing it. So a normal document, I've just set this up right here with words, literally. And you're in that normal home function. Just go over to review. Click review, and in here you can do a number of things. If you would like to make a comment on something, you can do it on one section. Just highlight it, for example, with your mouse, and then you can hit new comment, and then here you can provide commentary, like nice job, or something like that. Or if you want to do something grammatical, like we've been talking about, you can do VT for verb tense or something like that. Or if you would like to track your changes, you're just going to click this button right up here where it says track changes. And then that way, if you take out something and you write another word, that way it will track what you've actually done. And so I'm just going to get back out of that again. So inside this document, if you turn track changes on, anything that you do will be tracked by Word. And then if you just want to make a comment on something on just one word or a whole section, I didn't show you that. You can just do a whole section. Let's say I just want to talk about this one part right here. I'll just click on new comment, and then I can write my comment in there. So that's how you do that. While I have your attention, I thought I would also talk about APA. Yay, APA. So we're going to go into this document that I've uploaded into our course. And inside this document, I just want to show you some key issues here. It's got the page number on the first page, it says running head with all cap, a truncated version of the title. The whole title goes right here, name. And as we scroll through here, don't need the abstract, but you'll notice that the page numbers keep going and that truncated title without the running head terminology is there, flush all the way to the left. Again, do not need an abstract. And as you get into the document, what I want you to know is that it's double spaced throughout. There's no extra spaces at any time. Here's that all cap title that's truncated. The actual title of the document is double spaced, no bolding, anything like that. You can see some of the years and the citation stuff. When you get into headers, I'm going to go deeper into the document to show you that. Again, this document is in our important class documents. So I scroll down here, I want you to take a look at some of the headers. So when you want to divvy up or show that there's sections, you do center and bold for a major section, bold and all the way to the left for a subsection. And when you get into subsections, it's indented, bolded with a period. So you should be getting into those areas soon in your program, if not for this paper. And as you can see, I'm just going to head down to the references section because you should have references for this particular assignment. You can see it says references, and this is the citation page. And you can look at that on OWL, or you can follow some of these things. Lastly, I just wanted to take you into our document here for how to submit this. So you're going to go to course content, assignments. You're going to go to assessment case study, click on assessment case study. Before this time, you will turn it in and show up to class on time. And here are the directions again. And I just want to point to the fact that you can upload multiple documents. So if you feel uneasy to have the actual assessment piece embedded into your paper because it does mess with your margins, you can browse your computer. I'm just going to pretend like I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to choose this. And then if you browse your computer again and you pick a different document, you can have multiple submissions at once, and that's totally fine. So maybe this would be your actual reflective writing piece, and this would actually be the document that you assessed or something like that. Okay, so that was the overview of how do you do review documents inside Word, APA real briefly, and also how to submit this assignment. If you have questions, please let me know. And have a great week. I'll see you in 2 weeks.